want to go to the Four Seasons in Napa?
Yes. Minnie wants to.
Okay.
So I went Christmas decor shopping. I need to clean all this out. You ready? Hi. We are currently on our way to Napa. It's gonna be Minnie's first time at a hotel. Is it your first time at a hotel? So it should be fun. We're staying at the Four Seasons in Napa. I haven't been to this one, so I'm very, very excited to see it. Okay, we just got here, you guys. It is so nice, and look. Oh my goodness. There's a pet menu. We're gonna order them room service 100%. This room is absolutely stunning. We gotta turn on the fireplace. Let's get both of you some water. There it is. Okay, we checked in. The rooms are stunning. This whole property is so nice. We're just taking the dogs on a walk to get their energy out, and then we have massages this afternoon. I'm walking over to get my massage now, and then Hank is right after me, and then we have dinner reservations on the property later. But I'm in heaven right now.